Okay, I've got these bike handlebar lifts, or I don't know I don't know what the actual terminology of this, but bike handlebar brackets. And then they do have this non-slip right here. You can see how they have those little grooves and stuff like that. And these things work really well. They also work well as a petting device because of the grooves. It gives a little bit of a massage to the head of the dog. But here you also have this, so you can just pull up and wrap it around the other side, and then your bike handlebar will go here. We'll put it on my bike in just 1 second, but I'm definitely not going to flip my bike over because I've got way too much stuff on there. And yeah, these things are pretty simple, and so that way when you flip your bike upside down with the handlebars, you'll have a little bit of extra space here. Looks like about 1 inch or 2, 1.5 inches. And yeah, it just makes it so that way you don't damage any of the other stuff. Now my bike is damaged because I fell over. I literally almost flipped. I did like a half a flip and landed on the top of the handlebar. The top of the handlebars landed on the ground, but let's take a look at my bike. Okay, so I think you guys can see I've got a whole bunch of stuff because I do food delivery. And let's just try to see if I can find the easiest place to put this. So we're gonna put this like this, like so. Can we see that? Yes, we can. And we're just putting it on top of the handlebar. We're gonna pull on this little piece down here. We're gonna pull like that and put it down there. And as you can see, everything is fine. Now, obviously, you'd want to put it over here, or I'd have to like move and adjust a little bit of these things if I wanted to flip this upside down. But that's what I was saying. Like even this thing, I would have to take this off completely. But yeah, if I needed to flip it upside down so I can protect all of the things that are actually on the bike, even with this thing, if I put it in the right place, I could protect this without having to adjust too much of it. And so, yeah, these things work. You can obviously see that they fit on top of the bike handlebars. So I really like these.